Oh, there you go. What's going on, guys? Here, right here, and today I'm back with another video. I'll post the first part of this because it got cut off because I have no space, and I forgot to erase my space and clear my stuff. So, where am I getting stuck? Those snowballs at it. We got it, guys. Oh, our dinosaur died. You know what? For this, I'm gonna equip a weaker one too. Let's go with. Do I have any pets that are level 2? Yeah. Let's go with over here with Mr. Rain. Okay. Yeah, I only got 2 stars for that. Okay. So yeah, I'll just go again. Rapid fire rifle, that's what I have here. Desert Eagle. The Scythe, Sith, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Snowball. Tactical bow. And base cannon. Just an ancient evil memory. I remember how it ran through these skylines. We need to find a place to rest. Maybe here? I think it's absolutely safe. Does that look safe to you? A freaking pig that's flying with a little smiley face on his face. Do you think a pig with a freaking smiley face on his face that's looking straight at you, do you think that's safe? That's a heck no. No. Get out of here. Oh crap, I forgot about these. Ah! Get away from me. I can't get through. Ah! Ah! Oh, oh, oh. Fudge you. Oh my god, they're behind me too. Fudge. Don't get stuck again. No one else? Oh, fudge you. Oh my god, I thought he died for a second and then he spawned on me and I was like, come on, bro. Oh! Fudge. What are you doing up there? I'm over here working and killing all the zombies while you're on there sitting your butt up there and not even helping me. Oh my gosh. Get your lazy butt down here and start attacking the zombie for me. Look, they're all over here. Oh, they're all over there. Oh, they're all over here. Oh, fudge. Kill all of them. Guys, I'm a boss. Oh my gosh. I just killed all of those without getting hit once. Oh my god. So good. Oh, for a second I thought... Oh my god. I thought one spawned on me and I was like, don't you dare try to spawn on me. Oh, fudge. It's a freaking frantic flower. Wait. Freaking frantic... Oh my god. Okay. Where's this thing at? Oh. Get away from me! Stop! Don't eat my brains. Oh! Fudge! Mr. Piggy! I got so much stories to tell you! You're not a good piggy, are you? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck is it? Get ready to shoot. Oh my god, I just killed a little piggy. Yeah. So there you go. The end of Sky Islands. And now, yeah, let's go do some like actual mini games here. Let's go. Back. 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 Oh, that expired. Whatever, okay. Let's go put my under. On that yo-yo. Back to my zero. How much does it get? 30 to upgrade. I mean, I guess that's not that bad. I got 55 of these. What is that anyway? Like a diamond rifle. I don't know what that's for, but okay. Let's go with my adamant bomber. Please, only sniper and backup. Okay, guys, I've been practicing on this. And you'll see what I do with my guns, okay? Where does this guy go? Oh yeah, one over here. Okay. What the heck are you doing? Gravity. Wait, what? Did you guys see that? Wait. Okay. I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna show you guys something. Anti-gravity blaster. That's in the heavy section. And right here, we're only allowed to use sniper and backup weapons. Did this guy hack or something? Where did this guy go? What are you doing? Did he just kill himself? Come on. Even my pet's stealing my tools. What? I shot him with my freaking. Oh my god. That's so dumb. Oh my god, I shot. Stop stealing my kills! My god! See, there you go. Let me reload. Fudge, fudge, fudge. We're so screwed. No, 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 don't kill me, please. Fudge. If I shot one more time, I would have got him. Because my crosshair was straight on him. How much did I get? Bro reward. Yes. I'm trying to get enough XP, enough coins to open the chest that's 50. We'll do like 2 more matches of this. And then I'll end the video there. Okay. Ah! Hello? If you guys watch Exotic Gaming, then you guys should probably know about this. And where was it? Right here, right here, right here. Yes, right here. It was right here. Oh my god, get out of my face. Hey. Stop. I'm recording. Hi. You got the dual revolvers? Dang, bro. Rest in peace. I'm just gonna shoot at random spots. Wow. Wait. I'm just gonna die real quick. Well, I just spawned at 0. Yeah, 0. Good, I was about to say, if it spawns at negative or something, then I'm just gonna start crying. No one's seriously here. You got the magic bow? Bro, you need to give me some of these guns. You need to give me some of these guns. Stop killing yourself, bro. Here, I can show off too. I got, look, see? I bet you don't have this, do you? This is a unique weapon that is only available around the 4th of July. I'm trying to say something. Oh. There you go. Fudge. You have the impulse rifle? I'm pretty sure that's still here, right? No way, it's got to be still here. Come on. It's still here. Yeah, right here. Oh, like, if you have another unique weapon, then I'm done. What? Cool gun. Yeah. Yeah, I got it around July. I know. It's a unique weapon, but you can still you still what? Oh, thanks, I guess. Reflector? What the f is this? Oh. Okay. Wait, 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 wait. Guys, I just found a glitch. Equip. There you go. Okay. Found a new game. What's up, Dirt? Hi, Dirt. Boy. Okay. Fine then. You want me to. You wanted me to, so fine, I'll do it. I was this close to shooting him. Oh, who is this guy? Oh, fudge. It's one of these people. So I got 5 kills, assists, and assist. Wait, what? Please get 5? Oh my god. Here, fine. You made me do it then. I'll have to use these then. Since I can't killed right now. Now I'm on fire. Disgrace. Please don't freaking die. You know what? Next time I want to make a video on freaking Injustice. That'd be better. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the Thunder, and this time I'm gonna go this way. What? Oh, my freaking pets stole a freaking bat. I just noticed that. I keep getting assist. I don't want assist. I want an actual kill. There you go. Now I need to reload again. What the? Did I just shoot to the cactus? No way. I just died. A 45. Oof, you just got oofed in the head. Ooh, bonus. Can I just destroy him? Come on, I didn't even get the kill yet. It's not loading. I know, mate. What? A 45 assist? What do you mean, brother? God. Now we lost, bruh. Wait, what? How does that work? Here, let's quit. Let's quit. I'm just gonna use all my keys now. Thanksgiving, Cyber Day. Let's go to Turkey. No, never mind. It was right here. It was that. Give me something good. Gems. Okay, I'm fine with that. Give me something good. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. 10 coins. Give me something good, please.